crafters, this is Amy. Welcome to Cricut Basic How-Tos. Today I have a little hack on how you can mark your cartridge handbooks and your keypads to be able to find the item in the book on the keypad. Now this is for some of the older cartridges that don't have the picture of the keypad on it, and of course with the digital stuff you don't have to do it. But what I did was I numbered the keys across the top 1 through 10, and down the side the rows A through E. And then I went through the book, and on each page I wrote what row and what key it was. So, it pretty much follows the book A1, A2, A3, all the way down to E. So if I wanted to cut out this little knight here, I know a quick reference, B10, that button is right here. Don't forget to see what the fuss is all about at salehandmadeproducts.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.